Businesses are struggling to see returns on data and AI investments. That's why RevGen crafted our AI Accelerator Workshop with an ROI focused framework that helps companies target the areas where data and AI can have a measurable impact.
Our workshop is comprised of three phases: education, activation, and ideation. The first phase, education, is focused on helping our clients understand what is possible. We dive into AI strategy, we look at the tools and technologies that are out there, and we address common concerns including data and AI governance and data availability. We often spend much of our time in the second phase, ideation. Here we guide our clients to identifying opportunities and the potential impacts. This guided brainstorming exercise is critically important because it pushes our clients past their preconceived notions of what data and AI can do for their business. Our final phase, activation, involves taking those prioritized scenarios and creating short and long-term roadmaps. This step is crucial as it aligns our clients on the goals and priorities. Without this alignment, any implementation plan is going to be challenging.
For us, success means our clients are gaining meaningful value from their existing investments.
At RevGen, we are committed to providing guidance during our AI workshops that's truly vendor agnostic. We feel it's critical that our partners are able to own their own intelligence. We like to reduce or eliminate vendor lock and allow them to scale and innovate at a rate that far outpaces their competition.
To speak with one of our data and AI experts about scheduling your own workshop, visit revgen.com/AI.